back with a new video, and in today's video we're gonna be doing a DIY. It's gonna be based on lip care. So I'm a person that really cares about her lips. Like, I'm such a lip gloss addict, chapstick, lipstick, whatever the heck it is that involves lips, I love it. So I like to take care of my lips, and I'm gonna share with you guys how to get rid of dry skin. I tend to get dry skin on my lips so much, which is very annoying. I hate it. I hate it so much because who likes having chapped lips? You know, it's gross. You look like a chalk walking around, so no thanks. Anyway, I'm gonna show you guys how to make a lip scrub with two simple ingredients that everybody has at their house. So literally anybody can do this. It's not just for girls. Guys, you too need to take care of your lips because it's very important to keep them nice and soft. If you got another person, you know, you wanna kiss them, you don't want them like scratching against your crusty lips, you know, ew. But I'm just kidding, you don't have to have, you know, another person. You're single too, it's just good to take care of your lips because it's kind of nasty when you're talking to somebody and all you can see is like flakes everywhere. So yeah, we're gonna get started. So the first two main ingredients that you're gonna need, well, the only two ingredients that you're gonna need is honey and sugar. You can use white sugar, any sugar, but I prefer brown sugar just because it's a little thicker, and I don't know, I just like brown sugar a little better, so yeah, we're gonna use that. You can have a little container to store it in if you wanna use more for like tomorrow or like a few days after. I mean, it'll work, you know, it's not gonna get expired, but I'm only gonna use it for right now because I don't have a little container to put it in at the moment. So yeah, I'm just gonna use it on this spoon, and I'm gonna use this toothpick to like mix it in the spoon. So that's what we're gonna do. It's good. It's a good thing because that way you don't have to go spend like $4 at like CVS or something to get a lip scrub. This way you can just do it anytime you want at your house for free. Get your lips done. So that's what we're gonna do, okay? All right, you guys, so I'm just gonna get my sugar open. And the sugar also works for like plumping your lips, so because you're gonna like constantly be like rubbing onto it. So here's the spoon with the brown sugar. And then some people add lemon to their mix or coconut oil, but I'm just gonna keep it nice and simple. You can do it so many other ways. I'm just gonna do it like the most easiest way. Ugh, this is so sticky. There we go. I always struggle opening something every time I'm on YouTube. What the heck? So we're just gonna pour some honey on this. Only it comes out. Alright, so we got a good amount of honey there. And now we're just gonna mix it all together. And don't worry, I put a napkin underneath because I know this is gonna make a mess for the sugar. Oh gosh. I'm making a mess now. This is why I don't like doing it on a spoon because it makes such a mess. I usually have like those tiny little containers that like you put lip balm in, but I haven't got any, so yeah, you gotta improvise. Once you got your mix done, it should look a little like this, all pasty, a little thick, you know, just like that. As you can see, like it has that. You see that? That's how we want it to be. Once you got that, you can go on ahead and apply it. So I'm just gonna wash my hands real quick and then we'll get to it. All right, my hands are nice and washed. So now I will apply it to my lips. And I have my mirror down here, so I'm gonna be looking down. You can see my double chin. All right. So for this part, you're just gonna wanna rub your lips in a circular motion. And I like to go a little bit out of my lips, around the corners of my lips, to get those crusty parts too. You're also going to want to leave the lip scrub on your lips for at least a minute or two so that your lips can absorb the honey and lock in moisturizer. Alright guys, so it's been a minute or two, something like that. And you have this option of either licking it off, doesn't taste bad, or you can just wipe it off. You can choose. No judging around here. I always make a mess on myself when I do this. I'm like a baby. So I wet my towel, why do I always say towel? I wet my napkin a little bit so that like it could become easier to clean up. And there it is. Look at those lips. Nice and soft. And that's how you want them. You still have a little bit of skin left, but it's not as bad as before, you know what I'm saying? And like, if you wear matte lipstick, you know the struggle. But anyway, immediately after you're done with that, you have to go on ahead and put on some kind of moisturizing chapstick or something like that. I just have Vaseline. I love it. It smells so good. This one, it's called Cream. I don't know. I can't read that. But anyway, yeah, I use this one. Wow, my lips feel so soft. That's what I'm talking about. I love it. I'm telling you, you guys really should try this. It makes your lips so soft. You save money, time, kind of. You see, they look so good. So yeah, anyway, you want to moisturize that. And then once you're all done moisturizing it, girl, go ahead and put on your
matte lipstick.
I don't know where I was going with that. Okay, I can't talk. I'm not good at talking. But go on ahead and put it on. And that's how you get it done, sister. You'll have nice, pretty lips. And remember to keep in mind, you need to keep yourself hydrated. That's actually very important. If you're not drinking enough water, obviously your lips are going to become crusty. So you need to take care of yourself and care for your skin too. You know, drinking water is just essential to so many things. So keep that in mind. So yeah, I hope you guys found this video helpful, entertaining, interesting, whatever you found it, but I hope it was positive. Anyway, that's it for today. I just wanted to share this with you guys because I know there's people out there that probably need this, especially because it's winter time. So yeah, I will be making another video, I don't know when, of how to make a lip moisturizer on your own and lip balm, because I know how to make those two things also. So I want to share that with you guys, but I just didn't do it today because I wanted to keep it simple, short, whatever. So yeah, that's what basically is happening. So make sure to like, subscribe, turn on my post notifications, or whenever I upload a video, you guys will be first to watch it. So yeah, do that. Make sure to tell your friends about it, share it around. So help another friend out, get their soft lips. And yeah, so I hope you guys have a great day. Bye-bye.